A major fallout is erupted within the ruling ZANU-PF party after President Constantino Chiwenga reportedly blocked the distribution of a fleet of vehicles donated by businessmen Kudakwashita Gray to party members, sparking tensions at the party's Harare headquarters. Sanabana mashoko ari kunokwaudzi vipi Constantino Chiwenga kunokwaudzi aiwa mukomana uyu musamujairira is very powerful. Kunyangwe vana kudata Gray vanga vatova nemamota vehicles vatoplana kutodistributa asi general panguva ino vonzi voisa stop voti ho vakomana sana vena mashoko buda nyuko panguva ino kuti vasubscribe walike out on the bell icon timina muna mobuda nyuko mchinzi. According to highly placed sources within ZANU-PF, Taguri had financed the purchase of 200 high-end vehicles, including Toyota Land Cruisers, GD6s, Fortuners, and Ford Raptors, with approximately $15 million, with the expectation that they would be handed over to ZANU-PF structures ahead of key internal mobilization programs. However, the move was abruptly halted by Chiwenga, who allegedly instructed that no vehicles should be distributed under Taguri's name. A senior ZANU-PF official stationed at the party headquarters in Harare confirmed the standoff, describing the situation as tense and embarrassing. In quotes, everything was done. The vehicles were bought in cash. They were parked at Farai Matisi Granite Side Yard, but VP Chiwenga gave a firm directive that no single vehicle should be donated to the party through that arrangement, the ZANU-PF source said. The source added, Taguri is furious. He wants his money back. He feels betrayed because this was supposed to cement his influence ahead of the 2028 campaign cycle. Right now, he and Farai Matsika are not even talking. Farai Matsika, owner of Farah Mati Motors, who facilitated the procurement and reportedly earned millions in profit from the deal, is said to be defending his role. According to insiders, Matsika insists that he simply executed an agreement that was finalized months ago. He is telling people he is not responsible for the political fallout and that the deal was cleared at the highest level when it was initiated, she said the source. The impounded fleet remained under heavy security at Faramati Sea Depot, while attempts to resolve the dispute behind closed doors continue. Party insiders say the clash signals deeper divisions between Taguri and key figures in ZANU-PF leadership, with Chiwenga allegedly wary of businessmen's growing political influence. Chiwenga believes the party should not appear to be owned or influenced by one businessman. That's the underlying issue, the source explained. As of now, it remains unclear whether the party will refund the $15 million or whether the vehicles will be redirected to other entities. Ndo riripo muZimbabwe panauya kuda Tagurei. Panoonekwa mavidhos makaona aTagurei anyatso kupega achiti kune mota dzakati dzimwe 6 dzakazodai dzichazouya, but panguva ino general ZVAITWA Tagurei akunyatso kuva embarrassed nekubetrayal. Ameno zvichapera sei? Noda kuti vakomana ava vanga kuti 2028 vatopinda, but generally vava vati hakuna zvakadaro. Pindai comment section medu kuti mafuro enyu matikudipa pamusoro pechituko ichi. So subscribe, like, chat on the bell icon.